Okay, well, we haven't done a video for a little while because we haven't had anywhere to do one. So before I get typecast as the idiot with a Norton, there she is, thought we'd show you the progress on the shed. So, it hasn't got a floor, it doesn't have any walls, and there's definitely no roof, but we've got a door. There we go. Look at that. It's not where I wanted to put the door, but you know, it was a free door and that's where the free door fitted, so that's where the free door goes. So yeah, couldn't get anyone to turn up and do me concrete in, and I got sick of waiting and the weather's turning, so laid a load of concrete plinths and started building off them. Now I did run out of ballast sand. I've not ordered any more yet, because there are meant to be 2 more plinths, one about there-ish and where the hole is next to the Norton. So yeah, we're getting somewhere though. Like I said, a lot of framework up. There's not going to be much of a pitch on the roof, it's going to be about a 1 foot fall. Yeah, facing southward, it's so I can have all my solar panels on the roof that are currently stashed in a bedroom. Yeah, there's no space anywhere. The kitchen's currently full of tools. Yeah, so I need to get this done so we can start doing things, especially since the little old Norton here, she's started to blue smoke a little bit. It's not terrible, but yeah, she's starting to use a little bit of oil, the old girl, so that needs pulling apart. I have got a spare barrel. I can send it off to get rebored and get a piston and bits, so it's sort of ready to go. But I still haven't finished my cylinder head because I've not got machines and bits here at the minute. Oh, there's half a lathe in the kitchen, but the lathe bed itself is, yeah, it's stashed in a container somewhere out the way. So yeah, I can maybe get a piston ordered up and send a barrel off to get rebored at some point, but I'm not taking that engine apart until we've got somewhere under cover to put her back together, or leave her while I'm waiting for bits. So yeah, there we go. Shed in progress. That's the engine crane that I broke moving a bulk bag of ballast. That was silly. Bent the bloody boom on it. I'll have to get that fixed because it's not mine. So yeah, I've already told them. So yeah, there we go. It is a hell of a mess. I could make it a little bit better out here. I do need to tidy up a bit, but yeah, there we go. The progress so far. No walls, no roof, no floor, but we've got a door. Right. Well, yeah, I think that'll do for now. Let's see how far I get. Maybe do another quick one when we've got a bit more progress. Oh, and thank you to everyone that commented in the last video about the gearing and bits, and yeah, that did actually help. I went on a bit of a dive, and I think that's the later gearbox, so very slightly taller top gear, and it's an earlier rear hub, well, rear brake drum and sprocket on this, because that should be 43 teeth and it's 42, and so yeah, so we're slowly figuring out what all the bits are, but I'm not too worried at the minute. I think a fresh bore on it and get that head finished off that I was doing, and it'll be more than capable of pulling the gearing that's on it. And for now I'm only doing short little local runs on the old girl. It's not going far because I said she's burning a bit of oil and the poor old thing's living out here. Although I have made a new ground anchor for it. Yeah, it's a £1 bucket, as in cost a pound, not weighs a pound, with a bit of concrete lobbed in it and a chain in the bottom. Yeah, so you know, bit of security for a change, if you can call it that. Right, anyway, thank you for watching. I'll stop rabbiting on, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Ta-da. Oh dear. Mustn't forget to lock the shed door.